everyone, I'm Lauren Biedenharn, your local and tech-savvy real estate agent here in Los Angeles. Welcome to my step-by-step tutorial overview on how to purchase a property. Today's video, we're going to go over step number 8, appraisal contingency. Now, every case is different, and every state has different laws. So please use this as a general overview, and if you have questions, leave me a comment or contact me directly. I would love for your feedback so I can help more of you and make a better tutorial for all. So ask me anything. The appraisal contingency is important for your loan. When you open escrow, your mortgage broker or lender will order an appraisal. The appraisal will happen usually within the first 10 days of escrow, where the appraiser is chosen at random to appraise the property. He or she will come to the property and evaluate it compared to other similar properties. The appraiser will then go and make a report and give this to your lender. Whatever the appraiser appraises the property value for will be the max loan amount that you will receive on this property. At this point, you can renegotiate with the seller, letting them know what the property appraised for. If you have an all-cash offer, you will not need to order an appraisal since you do not have a lender. If your appraisal comes in at your price or higher, or you renegotiated with the seller, you can then release your appraisal contingency. Your agent will have you sign a contingency removal form where you will remove your appraisal contingency. Unless you have an all-cash offer, you're likely to have a loan contingency left before your deposit goes hard. Typically, the next contingency to remove is the loan contingency. Watch the next video to learn about loan contingency and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials and videos. Thank you, and see y'all next time.